Welcome back, ladies and gents. I don't know if you know, but I really like this jacket. You probably tell because the last few videos I've been wearing it, but it's actually like not too tight, like quite a flexible jacket, and obviously keeps me warm as well. So I'm gonna wear it again. Today, we've got something else to do. I'm hoping it fixes it. The title, they'll either say it fixed it or it hasn't fixed it. So you know already, but I don't know. But there's a couple of things I want to do today. Swap the shocks over. I've done it so many times on the channel. So what I'll do is I'll link a couple of videos up here where I've taken the shocks off. The first time was when we lowered it. The second time was when we changed the top mounts. So if you want to go see a detailed how you do it sort of thing, or something where you can follow along, I'll link them in the top right hand side and you can go and click and watch that. I think what I'm going to do, headphone in, jobby, time lapse, and just get it all done. But the other thing I want to do is I want to swap the blue stuff pads out and put the yellow stuff pads in. I've still got the yellow stuff pads upstairs in the, call it the stock room, in the stock room. So I'm going to take the blue stuff pads out. I'm going to clean them up and whatnot. The yellow stuff pads should already be clean. Whack them straight in and then put them back. While we're driving on the road, I think it's probably easier and better if we just make things a little bit easier to drive and put the yellow stuff pads in. So that's the job. We'll get the shocks done first. Hopefully it's nice and quick. I'll show you which shocks we've got and we'll go from there. I'm just going to go get the pads from the stock room and we'll be right back. All right, here we go. Yeah. Should. Yeah, here we go. Oh, here we not go. That is not the front brake pads. Well, never mind. What we'll do then is, I thought I had them. Anyway, I'll just clean up the blue stuff pads and go from there. Oh, this garage is full of bathroom. So, excuse the gym bag. Bilstein, just standard OEM replacement shocks. Those are the new lock washer, well, captive washer at the top. Obviously nice standard shocks. Won't be too much of a pain to fit. In fact, let's just get them out. Now, one of the reasons I am changing this, I'll show you why. Even if it doesn't fix the knock, oh, you can really see how filthy it is. Sunlight directly on it, it's not doing it justice, but this side is super stiff. Down and up, whereas this side, much softer. So even if it doesn't change anything, like even if it doesn't fix the knock, at least we'll have better or less bounciness. It is quite noticeable ever since I thought about it, and I go over certain bumps, or if I go over like bumpy parts of the road, you can definitely feel like the boaty side is the left side. Maybe it's correlated, maybe it's not. Somebody mentions shocks, so they're not too expensive. It's just a pain in the ass job to do, right? You got to strip them all down. So less talking, let's get this time lapse on and let's just go for it. Gents, that's a wrap for the shocks. So an update, as you can see, the new shocks are in. I've buttoned up everything, put the new things on. We actually ran into a bit of an issue. My Ugga Dugga just died halfway through. I tried charging the battery and it was like no good, but it ended up charging and working. Speaking of which, I'm going to put that on charge. Obviously I haven't driven the car yet, so I don't know if it's fixed the issue, but I am 75% sure. Charge. Good. I'm 75% sure it will fix the issue, and I'm going to show you why. This was the right shock, and I think it was CJ or CM, somebody commented on a video of mine, and thank you so much, because I never would have found this, but this shock, absolutely solid. Takes a bit of pressure to push it in. Now, this is the shock, well, the side that was knocking. I don't know if you can hear that. Let me try and... That's actually... And you see how fast it comes out? So it's hard to go in. Straight out. But the main thing... That's the noise. I'm 79% sure that's it. Same with this side, so change the shock on this side, so hopefully this is the side that was knocking, it's not knocking anymore, but what I want to do now, like I said, is just clean up these brakes a bit. I am going to do a wheels off clean on this car at some point. I've got to do some more work this weekend on the car and the van, but I'm going to get them off. Guys, I've done this so many times, so I'm just going to do a quick time-lapse. Quite a time-lapsey video, it's quite a repeatable video, so just to keep you documented along the way, BRB. About an hour and a half in. Not going. So much brake dust on the floor now. The eagle eye viewers will have noticed this rubber piece on the bottom was in the wrong place. Oh, it's a bit in the wrong place. Anyway. To talk it up now. Drop the car, talk it up. Hey, watch out. Oh, you got hit there. Gotta be careful. It's a construction zone around here. Okay. Nice. Beep beep. Going through. Bash. Bash number 2. Nice. Pop this back in here. Just back away. Oh my god, right. Just a quick check. Don't fucking fall. Right, this side. Oh! Oh! Solid. Right, the only thing is, I haven't got cable ties for this. So, that will, I'll just have to wait. Right, she's all done, and you'll never guess what I found. It's like I knew. These are just hiding in my drawer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cable tie all of them real quick and then just trim them. And then how about we go for a quick little test drive. All right, ladies and gents, we're in the car. What I'm going to go do, knock isn't so like obvious. I need to go to certain spaces. So what I'll do is I'll quickly drive about to those certain roads and certain corners. And hopefully we go over and it feels fixed. But give me 2 seconds, I'm just going to drive and I'll catch you guys in a second. It's fixed. It's fixed! Jesus! Every roundabout along this road, every single one is always like weird knock. Let's double check. Oh my god, boys! And girls, how much money have I actually wasted on this? Hold on, let me work it out. So, oh, not too much then. I replaced an engine mount. And that was about 50 quid. Second hand, and then I replaced top mounts, that was first, that was like another 60 quid, and now the shocks, that was 160, so all in all about 300 quid to fix the knock. Hey, that ain't bad. It was more headache than anything else, but that ain't bad. Right, here's a notorious roundabout here. This one is a really, really bad one. Right, shush everybody. I'm driving a new car! It feels amazing, it feels amazing. Wow, that sun is bright. Right, one more thing I just want to test is we do have a vibration at like, how do I say this legally? We do have a vibration in Mexico at about 120. So I need to somehow just drive to Mexico real quick, do 120 and see if it's still there. I don't know if because the shock was like not absorbing, if like the wheel was just bouncing and it was like you could feel the imperfection of the unbalanced wheel. I don't know, so just give me 2 secs. Oh, holy shit. Oh, holy shit. I'm mind blown. I'm blown away. I actually, what I need to do, I need to find somewhere to pull over real quick and I just need to like debrief. I'm fucking mind blown. That's the best way to put it. 2 seconds. All right, bet we are stopped. Guys, hold on. Part of the emergency brake. I've pretty much fallen back in love with this car again. Here she is in all of her filthy state. Just wanted to see the ride height really. Yeah, no different. So what's it fixed? It's fixed everything. Literally things I didn't even think you had a problem with. So if you remember this video like a while back, when we went on the first track day in Mallory, I moaned about how the engine feels like it lurches forward. And I thought it was like an engine mount or something. Well, that's gone. That's fixed because of the shock. The weird boaty feeling at high speeds is gone because of the shock. Less squatting because of the shock. Vibration gone because of the shock. The knot gone because of the shock. How is something so small? I mean, literally, something so small, just literally that side, a minuscule movement. How is that causing that many issues? Like, what's happened? It's like, it's a brand new car. And what's more annoying about all of this is there's so many people that were commenting on that video that have like, oh, I've got a knock issue, I've got a knock issue, I've been chasing it for ages. And I'm the same. How have people not put stuff out there? Surely somebody has changed shocks. That CM guy that put a comment down, literally, dude, you're a lifesaver. See, fuck me. Like, I would have never thought change your shock. You've got a vibration, what do? Get the wheels balanced, get the tracking checked. You know, you want to check the wheel bearings and stuff. I shit you not. I was literally about to go get the wheel bearing changed. Change your top mounts because of the knot, wasn't it? Check all the fucking bushings and stuff. Thankfully, the boys at the workshop didn't charge me for that. But they would, you know, a normal workshop would. Wasn't that? Drive shaft, that's another one I thought. Wasn't that? It was a fucking shock. Guys, if you have a 308, check your shock. And the only way you're going to do it is by taking it off and wiggling it, like I told you. And at that point, just buy a spare set of shocks. You know, you can always send them back. Just buy a spare set of shocks, so if it is that, you can just swap them out and carry on. Thankfully, it's not the biggest task in the world, right? But I'm excited now, because that means one thing. The problems are fixed, the mods are next. So guys, we're not done with the maintenance yet, and you're going to see an old friend turn up. The old caddy's going to turn back up on the channel just for a quick little spotlight. I'll do some work on her, so keep your eyes peeled. Guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like. The video out with your friends. Share this video out with 308 owners, please. 308 owners. Guys, if you have a knock, check your fucking shocks. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.